Hello everyone. This application is all about account disable followers. In the accounting module, we have a two option for disabling the salesperson as a follower while creating the customer invoice, vendor bill, customer credit note and vendor refund. And similarly, we have another option of disabling the followers for the customer or vendor while creating the customer invoice, customer credit note, vendor bill and vendor refunds. And these two functionality will be working only for customer invoice, customer credit note, vendor bill and vendor refunds. This is for Odoo version 17, and now I will show how this application will be working. First, we need to go to the accounting module. In accounting, we need to go to the configuration settings. Here you can see a new section called display disable followers in accounting. Here you have two options. One is stop auto adding salesperson as a follower, and another one is stop auto adding partner as a followers on credit or edit or confirm invoice or bill. So based on these two functionality, you can disable the follower in the salesperson and for the partner also. First, I will show how this functionality will be working, that is stop auto adding salesperson as a follower. I will save this configuration, and once I will save this configuration, I'll go to the customer invoice. I'll create a new customer invoice. I will select the customer as Deco Addict and I will give a particular product with all the information. And in other info, you will be able to see a salesperson name as this. And once I will confirm this order, here in the followers, you can see only the customer name will be displayed and the salesperson name will not be displayed since we have enabled that option. Similarly, when I go to the customer credit note and I will be creating the new credit note for another customer and I will add a product and I will save this. You can see in other information there is a salesperson. I will click on mark demo and I will confirm this. So once I will confirming this, you will be able to see in the followers only the customer Azure will be there and this salesperson will be not present in the followers. Similarly, when I go to the vendor bill and I create a new vendor bill for a one of the particular vendor with I'll put a product and I will have a bill date as a today's date and I'll confirm this order. When I confirm this vendor bill in the followers, you will be able to see only that particular vendor name and the salesperson name will be not present. When I create a vendor refunds with the same, I'll give her another vendor and I will add a product and I will confirm this. I'll give a bill date and I will save and I will confirm this particular vendor credit note. You will be able to see in the followers only the vendor name will be there and this salesperson name will be not coming since we have enabled that option. Now I will go to the configuration and settings and I will change this configuration to this. Stop auto adding partner as a followers on create or edit or confirm invoice or bill. I will save this particular configuration. When I create a new customer invoice, I'll create a new customer invoice. I will put a new customer and I will add a product. And in other information, I have a salesperson. I will confirm this order. While confirming this, when you see this particular followers, only the salesperson name will be displayed and this customer name will be not displayed. When I create a customer credit note, similarly, I'll select the customer, I will add a product and I'll be coming to other information salesperson. I will change it as mark demo and I will save this. I will confirm this order. When I confirm this customer credit note in the salesperson, you in the followers, you will be seeing the Michael admin and Mark demo as a salesperson, and here the customer name will be not displayed in any as a followers. When I create a vendor bill, I'll go to vendor bill and I will create a new vendor bill. I'll add one of the vendor. I will add a product and I will save this particular. I'll confirm this. I will add a bill date and I will confirm this particular order. And once vendor bill is confirmed in the followers, you will be able to see only the salesperson name will be displayed and vendor name will not be displayed. Similarly, when I go to vendor refunds and I will create a new vendor refunds for one of the vendor, I will add a product with all the information, and I will add a bill date also, and I will save this. Once I'll confirm this particular vendor credit note, you will be able to see the followers. Only the salesperson name will be there, and here a vendor credit note, vendor name will be not displayed in this particular order. So this is the application that is when we click on these two configuration, we can disable the followers in the accounting module for these four modules, that is the customer invoice, credit note, vendor bills and refunds. This is regarding the auto disable followers app. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.